A prototype for a redesigned Mercedes-Benz E-Class has been spotted testing again, and Colsa.ru has rendered some photos predicting what the popular sedan might look like. It appears the design is taking on a more dynamic look, as the roof line looks a little more sloped at the rear than on the current model. With rumors that both the CLS-Class and GT 4-door coupe aren't getting replacements, perhaps designers were free to make the E-Class look a bit sportier. The platform hasn't been designed to fit battery electric powertrains. Electrified powertrain should be used across the range, including for the eventual E63 from AMG. The E63 could potentially end up with the same V8-based hybrid system that debuted in the 2023 GT63 SE Performance 4-door coupe.